How to optimize your portfolio conveniently on Elevate app through Portfolio Optimizer offered by Markets Mojo. Log into the application. On the Discover page, click on Portfolio Optimizer button in Holdings section. Alternatively, you can scroll down to Add-on Services section and click on Portfolio Optimizer icon. You can also click on Portfolio button and in Holdings section, click on Optimizer button. Clicking on the Portfolio Optimizer button from any of these places will take you to Markets Mojo landing page, where you can click on Get Started to start the portfolio optimization. At first, you will be shown the summary of 4-step optimization process. You can click on Continue to proceed. Your portfolio details will be shown. Click on button at bottom to proceed. You will be shown any callouts corresponding to your portfolio. Give consent on TNC and click on Step button at the bottom to continue. It will do a quick analysis and show your portfolio at a glance. You can click on drop-down arrow to get more details about the analysis performed. Click on Step button to proceed. It will review across different construction parameters to find out whether the portfolio is optimally constructed or not. Thumbs downs indicates improvement areas. Click on Step button to proceed. Your portfolio will be analyzed on stock selection parameters. Here again, thumbs down indicates improvement areas. Click on Step button to proceed. This screen indicates portfolio review is complete and shows the steps for next step, that is, choosing parameter for optimization. Click on Continue to proceed. Basis your holding pattern, it will show your current risk profile. You have the option to modify your risk profile. You can click on the drop-down menu and choose among the given risk profiles that suit your goals and investment type. The portfolio optimization will be done as per the chosen risk profile. Once chosen, click on Step button to proceed. You will be taken to next screen where you will be asked to confirm the chosen risk profile. Give consent on TNC and click on Step button to proceed. You will move to the third step where a broad action plan will be suggested. Click on Continue to proceed. You can see the suggested action plan like number of stocks you should hold, allocation percentage for top 3 stocks and more. Click on Step button to proceed. Here, you can see hold, switching and trimming/reducing recommendations along with quantity basis available cash and chosen risk profile. Click on Step button to proceed. You are now on the 4th and final stage, creating new portfolio. The screen tells you about the 2-step 4th stage, market cap allocation and deploying cash. Click on Continue to proceed. Here, you can see recommendations of cash allocation across suggested stocks. In current illustration, stock investments are 1,67,725 and cash balance is 12,05,000 with 2 stocks held. Suggested allocation is 13,72,725 across 13 stocks, maintaining 30-40-30 allocation across large cap, mid cap and small and micro cap that can be increased or decreased as per your wish. Click on Step button to proceed. Here, you have the suggested stocks as per chosen market cap allocation. You can choose the ones that you wish to proceed with. Click on Step button to proceed. In the final step, you can see your optimized portfolio after changes. You can save trade deal sheet as a PDF and on clicking it, the portfolio optimization is finished. You can either start optimization again or execute the trade deal sheet on the Elevate app.
Invest wisely. Avoid emotional decision. Stick to the plan. Remember, trading improves with practice. Happy trading.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.